Studio with locations in Grand Island, Elkhorn, and now Lincoln. This is News Radio 1110 KFAB Omaha, an iHeart radio station.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Nebraska beginning at 10:58 p.m. Tuesday, August 15th and ending at 12:58 a.m. Wednesday, August 16th. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems of Nebraska in cooperation with the FCC and other government authorities. Equipment is being tested that can quickly provide warnings during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, official information, news, or instructions would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
At a news conference next week.